Hi there, gadget lovers. Ever find yourself needing a quick fix but your heavy toolbox is completely out of reach? Today on Tech Kingo, we are checking out a brilliant pocket-sized gadget that solves exactly that problem. If you are searching for the best multi-tool pen, you are in the perfect place to see something truly unique. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Rack Multi-Tool Pen, this is a versatile and highly practical gadget designed for folks who truly appreciate clever, functional tools. When you are going about your daily routine, it is simply not realistic to carry a full set of tools with you. However, tiny problems pop up all the time. A loose screw on a pair of glasses, a crooked picture frame, or a sudden need to measure a small gap can easily interrupt your workflow. This brilliant pen completely eliminates those annoying moments. By combining 11 highly essential features into a single compact design, this everyday carry item is an absolute must-have for anyone who loves being prepared. One of the most impressive aspects of the Rack Multi-Tool Pen is how seamlessly it integrates so many tools into such a small form factor. Right at the top, you will find a bright, built-in LED light. This is incredibly useful when you are trying to write in a dimly lit room, working under a dark desk to fix some cables, or simply trying to find a dropped key in the dark. You do not need to pull out your smartphone flashlight and drain its battery when you have this powerful little light right at your fingertips. On the opposite end of the light, the pen features a very handy and highly responsive stylus tip. This adds a fantastic tech-savvy touch to a traditional tool. When your hands are covered in dust from a home improvement project or grease from working on your car, you can seamlessly use modern touchscreen devices, tablets, and smartphones without smudging the screen with dirty fingers. Running directly along the sturdy sides of the pen barrel are beautifully engraved metric and standard rulers. These built-in rulers are absolutely perfect for quickly measuring small hardware, checking the precise dimensions of a craft project, or making accurate marks on a piece of wood without needing to hunt down a bulky tape measure. Having these measurements etched right into the metal means they will never fade away, ensuring you always have an accurate measuring tool right inside your pocket. Right built into the body of the pen is a tiny, highly accurate bubble level. This is an absolute game changer for quick, home deck dias, saying, getting people to a workload and working with their father and living the planet. It perfectly ensures your picture frames, floating shelves, or small home decor items are mounted perfectly straight, saving you from a frustrating and crooked installation. Hidden smartly inside the pen barrel is a versatile Phillips screwdriver. This makes the Rack Multi-Tool Pen completely ready for a wide range of tasks, from quick office chair fixes to simple battery compartment changes on your favorite electronics. You also get a built-in bottle opener, which is always nice to have on hand when you finish a hard day of work and want to easily pop open a cold, refreshing beverage. When it comes to construction quality, this gadget truly shines. Crafted from incredibly durable aluminum, the Rack Multi-Tool Pen is built to withstand heavy daily use. It is highly reliable for tough home improvement projects, construction work, electrical tasks, or simply surviving the everyday challenges of being carried in your pocket alongside your keys and loose change. The metal body gives it a premium, solid feel that plastic pens simply cannot match. What makes this package even better is that the set actually includes 2 complete pens along with extra ink refills. This generous inclusion ensures long-lasting usability and amazing convenience. You will always have a backup ready to go in case you misplace one, or you can easily share the second pen with a friend, partner, or coworker. Being incredibly lightweight and portable, the Rack Multi-Tool Pen fits effortlessly into your shirt pocket, a desk drawer, or your car glove box, offering highly practical functionality wherever it is needed most. It embodies the perfect balance of clever design, rugged durability, and amazing portable convenience. It smoothly blends stylish looks with real-world practicality, serving traditional tool functions without looking out of place in a modern office environment. Are you ready to completely upgrade your everyday pocket setup with this brilliant little gadget? Check the price link in the description to grab yours right now. If you enjoyed the showcase, please make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome gear and tool videos. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Stay handy out there, and I will see you in the next one.